Hey guys, welcome to today's video. My name is Lucas, and today I want to talk to you guys about how you can create different overlays for your videos like this or like this. Now, I've been doing a deep dive in this tool called Remotion for the past couple of weeks. It's probably one of my favorite tools out there. And you can use Claude Code or Codex to create compositions that are 30 seconds long, 1 minute long, 1 hour long. You can get these agents to edit your videos or your designs. You can add music visualization, add captions, screencast. So these here are like really cool examples of what you can do. You can change the camera perspective and so on and so forth. And they have a great doc on how to get started and what types of visualizations you can do here. I have a great video down in the description below if you want to learn more. But anyways, guys, before we get started with today's video, I'd love to invite you guys to my Discord community. We're a bunch of different startup founders, designers, developers from all around the world. And we get together every single weekday to talk about different tools, different topics, different challenges. So if you guys are interested in joining that, link is down in the description below. Now, the first thing that I want to do here is I want to open up my Finder and I want to open a new folder. So we're going to click on new folder and we're going to name this to, let's say, Remotion Overlays. Click on enter. And what's cool is that you can bring in like existing videos. I can, for example, then add an MP4 file in this folder. And then we can open up Codex and click on that folder, click on open, and we have our folder name up here. And then we can start a new thread in this folder. So I'm going to click on this button over here, which takes us to this. So I'm going to say find the video bookbolt MP4, which is the video that I added to this folder, and inspect the first 2 minutes, audio and visual. Then give me a list of 5 potential overlays we can add to this video in the first 2 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and send this. All right. And it gives us a few examples. Like a hook headline overlay. Second thing is a chapter progress rail for the first 2 minutes. Then we have smart UI callouts on important on-screen elements. Then we have presenter lower third during the full screen face cam section. So when my face cam is full screen, there's going to be like some little card that, that says something. Then we have key takeaway captions or why this matters cards during tool demo moments. So these are stronger than generic subtitles because they convert narration into actionable points. So I'm going to tell Codex now to generate these 5 examples using Remotion. All right, and we slowly start getting examples like this. So for example, this is the presenter lower third. We also have, for example, this hook overlay on the top left with this kind of blurry background to it. And we have some examples that don't really look so good. So for example, I'm doing the UI call out and it's like highlighting random things. It doesn't really get it right. It kind of understands that this is the keyword input, but it didn't really place the boxes in the right time. The tag cloud doesn't seem so correct. It should be over here, and the result card should also be up here. And overall, like these designs with the gray and blue, it seems pretty AI generated. And this is where things get interesting because you can find like a YouTube channel that you like, or you can find some type of Netflix show that has really cool overlays and you can provide it to Codex as an example. So for example, this YouTuber Ali Abdal, he has these text overlays on the bottom left, and they look very, very neat. They have like this serif font to it. Also, when he's talking, the words kind of pop out in a nice little way. And you can ask Codex to do just that. You can say, instead of having that bulky design that you gave me right now, let's make it more clean, more minimalistic, make it a white font with a serif. And that's exactly what we can do now. We can tell Codex, we can say, hey, let's make this design more minimalist. Let's make the font white. Let's make the font serif as well. And here is an image. You can give it a screenshot of that video that you found on YouTube, and it can like take that screenshot as a reference and understand your style. And so, for example, you can end up getting things like this. So, for example, this is like the workflow text. So it's very, very minimalist. Workflow, research, generate, assemble, publish. And then, for example, we have like these chapter bumpers. So the screen gets a little bit dark. And then we have chapter 1, right? Chapter title. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it from my side. If you have any comments or questions, please let me know down in the comments below. And guys, like always, thank you so much for watching today's video. Hope you all have a wonderful day. Goodbye.